this demonstration, we'll take a look at all of the different places that you can set up commission in Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. So the first thing that we're going to do is navigate to the Sales and Marketing modules. So I'll navigate through the navigation pane to Sales and Marketing. I'll then navigate to the Commissions tab, and then we have all of these different setup. We have the calculation, commission posting, and the first thing that we generally would start with is setting up sales groups. So here we have the US sales group. So maybe we might need to add a new group 02 for the Europe sales group, for instance. We can then assign people or sales representatives to these specific groups. So I'll go ahead and click Save. We can see here if I select on the sales reps for the US and click on the General tab, I can see the sales reps that are assigned to this specific group. I can add additional sales reps to this specific group by clicking New in the Action pane. I can then maybe go and select who I am in the system as a sales rep as part of the US sales group. So I can type in my name, who I am assigned to in this specific environment. There is Brad, so I'll go ahead and select Brad. We can then specify the group that Brad is a part of, so I'll go ahead and click Select. And then here we can see that we can specify this person's commission shares, so that's their percentage rate for this specific sales group. You might be part of several sales groups, and you might have a different commission or share for each sales order, right? So maybe we get 10%. We can also specify the contact person for the sales groups. You can only specify one person as the contact person for a sales group. So I'll go ahead and close out this form, and we're going to navigate back over to the commission section of Sales and Marketing. We can also set up item groups. So maybe we have an item group set up for electronic accessories, for laptops, whatever we're selling. We can create item commission groups as well. So maybe, for instance, I'll call this one laptops. And I can go ahead and click Save. Under the General tab, we can set up commission calculation for this specific group. We can relate this to maybe a specific customer. We can relate this to a specific rep code or rep relation. We can add discounts. So if this is based off of a discount, we can add that as well to this specific group. I'll go back to the Sales and Marketing module, and the next thing that you can set up as well is customer groups for commission. So I can go ahead and create a new customer group. This might be wholesale, for instance. Customers. And if I click on the General tab, we can also set up commission calculations for these specific groups of customers for commissions as well. I'll go back to the Sales and Marketing module, and then the next thing that we can set up is our commission posting profiles. So here we can see we have our commission and our commission offset profile. So you can see here we just have one set up for all, and we have the main account specified for commission. So we'll go over to the Product and Information Management module. I'll then select Released Products. Under Released Products, I'll go ahead and select my item that I want to link this to. I'll click Edit in the Action pane, and we can actually link our commission group to this specific item. So if I go under the Cell tab here, we can link a commission group to this specific item. So I might have something like electronic accessories, maybe because you can use an HDMI cable with a laptop, we might select laptops here. And I'll go ahead and click Save.